Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Travel Boardwalk. We are at Micro Center right now. I'm gonna go ahead and buy Apple Mac M4 computer. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at it. We're doing a whole box in and everything. Alright guys, so we got back from Micro Center and this is what I bought. Yes, we are gonna do an unboxing right now, but this is what I got. Look, check it out. I got a Dell 27 Plus 4K monitor along with a Keytron, I think I'm saying it right, Keytron K10 Max, and the Mac Mini. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and open them up. So first we're going to open up the Mac Mini. Yeah, I don't want to show up the top because it has a little barcodes and stuff, but yeah. Let's go ahead and take it off. Let's go ahead and open it up actually. Here we go. It's coming off. Oh. This looks amazing. Oh, this is nice. Oh my god, I can't believe all the laptops in here, computers in here. Wow, this is awesome. All right, next we're gonna open up this. So let me go get some. Oh yeah, it just brings a charger. That's all it brings, and then charger to it. All right, so next we're gonna open up this. So let's get right into it. I gotta go get my scissors, guys. I'll be right back. I got the scissors. So let's go ahead and open this up. I kind of need two hands, so I'll be right back when I open it up and open it to let you guys see. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do it. All right, here we go. So it has that. All right, let's go ahead and take this thing off. There we go. Quick start guide. I'll put that to the side and see it later. Nice, look at this. Nice. Oh, I like the feel of it. It's pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy. All right, let's slide this off. So it looks like it comes off like that. Yep, there you go. Look at that. Oh, that looks so nice. That looks very nice. It should have something else in it. Yeah, it has this little box. And there goes my kitty trying to get in. It has this little box. So what is in this little box? Let's open it up and see what's in there. Oh, okay. It has the charger. And what else? Because it feels like there's something else in there. There you go. What else is in there? Oh, okay. So, I guess it has little replacement keys that you can replace them with. This to take it out, to replace them. And this so it can work with my Mac. This is the USB, the Bluetooth. Okay, so we already got that open. Next, we're gonna open up this. Oh my god, and then we're gonna put it all together. Let's go. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to open this up with one hand because it's way too big and bulky. So what I'm gonna do, once I have it already open and out of the box, I'll come right back. And here, got it open. Let's see. Let's see, is anything dropping in there? Oh, okay. I have no idea what that was, but I'm opening it up slowly. What is this? Oh, this is a stand. Oh, I don't want stuff to fall down. Okay, that's the stand. Okay. All right. Ooh, no, don't fall. All right, guys. Yeah, I need both of my hands, so I'll be right back. Guys, I have it all set up now. All set up. So all we got to do now is just connect that and that to this. I'll show you the end product. All right, guys. So we have everything set up here. So let's go ahead and turn on the Mac. Right here's the power button. So we got to turn this on. Oh, nice. That looks so nice. All right, let's go. Oh, that just turned on. So nice. All right, let's go ahead and turn this on. The power button should be right there. Ah, yeah, I got a Dell. Hold on, let me go ahead and turn off the flash. Oh my God. This looks amazing.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Let's see. Nice. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh man, this is so nice. And the mouse works too. Nice. My mouse works. Awesome. No. Alright guys, so I'm gonna have to take you guys off, but look at that. This is so nice. Ah, nice little investment. My little Mac. Oh, I can't believe that, my little Mac. Finally got a Mac. This is so awesome. Alright guys, let's go ahead and set it up. I'll let you guys see the home screen when we're done, because I have to set it up with my iPhone. This phone right here, I gotta set it up with. Alright guys, I'll be back. Guys, I forgot I had my other phone to record. So right now I'm setting my computer up with my phone. Setting up your mini. This is so awesome. I can't believe I'm setting it up with my actual phone. That's trippy. I love that. It's crazy. Alright guys, I'll be right back with you guys in a minute when I'm done. It's signing in. It's signing in, guys. This is so cool. And it says transfer is complete. Alright guys, it is starting up. Get started. Alright, we gotta see if this works. Hold on. Let us see. Let us see if it works, the mouse. Oops, yeah, y'all guys can't see that. You guys can't see that, so I'm gonna start a new one. Hey, it does work. Alright, perfect. Alright. Alright, let's see this. Press the key immediately to the right of the shift button on the left side of the keypad. Okay, that would be Z. Okay. I don't know. Okay, it's ANSI. All right. All right. Bro, this is amazing. This is so dope. Oh, man. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to dig into this and figure out how to work a Mac, because this is the first Mac I've ever had in my life. All right, guys, there's my Mac. It looks so beautiful here. All right, well, if you enjoyed watching this YouTube video of unboxing of the Mac computer and the actual monitor and my keyboard, you guys already know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. It helps tremendously on my channel. Like this video. It also helps a lot too. And also, place a comment down below if you have a Mac and how to use it. If you guys have any pointers for me to using this Mac. All right, guys. Well, until next time, peace and love. Love you guys. Later.